Hey guys, just giving you an update on the Euro Yen trade. So I said in the forum, I entered it yesterday evening, and then I also said around 1 p.m. that Euro Yen is going to drop, and it's exactly done that. So at the moment, the trade is in uh, 85 pips in profit, 86 dropping further. My profit target here, as you can see down here, is at this trend line here, so 123 pips, and I've put my take profit target here, so hopefully that will hit. Why do I have it down there is because you can see here when price came here previously, it has bounced off this region and gone higher up, so that's the reason why I have it down there. um, I'm thinking it will probably go down here to 130 pips, but for now it's Thursday and tomorrow is Friday, so I don't really open trades on a Friday because there's not much liquidity in the markets. But yes, that's on there, and you can see here on the live account I've taken it as well. Um, so yeah, going good. Hopefully it hits my take profit target, or if it enters anywhere down here, I will take my profit manually. Thank you. Hey guys, so just making a video. I'm going to take my profit off here because you can see it's starting to reverse. It is around 96 pips, so I'm gonna close it. And to do that, just gonna go close and just close 50 lots. And I am going to do the same. So my live account, this one is now going around 99 points, so I'm gonna close as well.